What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hop Delay Events on Tap.
Episode 88!
Covering all the awesome things happening in LA beer this week. And this week, we're at the Field LA in downtown LA, right next to the Bank of California Stadium. Awesome place to drink beer. And in the last few weeks, they've been doing a lot of rare beer tappings, which brings us here this week. Something very special is on tap. And let's just not fluff around. Let's get right to the beer. A lot of amazing beer from the East Coast, the Midwest. Gary, what are we drinking?
All right, so I have Amulet Sour IPA. This is from Hudson Brewing in New York. This is basically what you get when you take a hazy milkshake IPA with a kettle sour and throw a whole bunch of fruit into it.
That's an IPA?
Yes.
Dig it.
Can't wait to drink it. What do you got, buddy?
Oh, I'm already spilling.
Yeah, you got a good one.
I know. So I'm drinking Alarmist out of Chicago. This one is Le Juice, New England style IPA with Citra and Mosaic.
GABF gold medal winner for hazy IPA last year. So it's got to be good,
It's gotta
right?
be good, right?
Okay, so let's not draw this out too much longer.
Let's just fucking drink.
Let's give it a whirl.
Crowbars up.
Wow.
Okay, yeah, Citra Mosaic bomb here. But it's so well balanced. You get that IPA bitterness, you get that tropical sweetness, nice soft mouthfeel, and just juicy tropicalness. I think Alarmist did a fantastic job here.
That sounds amazing. Completely different from what I'm drinking. So this is a little bit out there, but when I drink this, I'm thinking that I'm in some like post-apocalyptic world where like mutant fruits and vegetables are growing from nuclear radiation, and this is some hybrid blackberry, apple, grape, orange fruit that like all the fruits fucked in the afterworld and like have produced this spawn of like juicy, tart, amazing goodness. Like this is so good.
All right, I'm just gonna say, aren't you guys glad he's back with the fucking weird ass tasting notes here?
Dude, this I can't describe this any better. It has those components of a kind of milkshake hazy IPA, but just all of the flavor of really tart kettle sour with a bunch of fruit. So really, really good. I dig it a lot.
Now, time to get into the beer release radar. Gary, what are we excited about?
Okay, we're not excited about just one release. It's a double release. Two-way collaboration between El Segundo and Eagle Rock. Basically, the two breweries got together, collabed on both brewery systems, and you have two different beers brewed with the same hops, the same malt, but just different yeast.
New Tricks, Old Dog, New Tricks.
All right, El Segundo's dropped on Friday. It's going into distro this week, and Eagle Rock's dropped on Monday. So you can find it in their tap room and hopefully around town. Both of these beers sound really, really good, and get both of them, try them side by side. Why not?
All right, time to get into this week's events. We're gonna kick it off with our featured events. Our premier event of the week. This is the LA Beer Week Kickoff Festival happening in downtown Los Angeles, Saturday, June 15th. If you're gonna buy a ticket to anything during LA Beer Week, this is the event to buy a ticket to. It's gonna feature all of your favorite local independent breweries, plus some outside guest breweries. It's gonna be an awesome fucking time, and we're gonna be there too with a booth.
Get your tickets right now. Head to hopdela.com/LABWTix. Buy your tickets right this instant, right now. We'll wait.
I'm not waiting, let's move right along.
Then on Monday, June 17th, starting at 6 p.m., it's our own event. It's our Hazy IPA Invitational that we're throwing at the Glendale Tap. And fuck, man, there are so many really, really good Hazy IPAs going to be poured here. And we just got the almost confirmed brewery list here.
We're almost there.
Yeah, so here's who's coming from LA. We got Highland Park, LA Ale Works, Indie Brewing Company, Aero Lodge, Brewery West, Beechwood, El Segundo, Modern Times Downtown Los Angeles, State, Mumford, Homage, and a couple more that are pending.
And not just your favorite LA breweries, but a lot of guest breweries as well, including Pure Project, Bottle Logic, Mosca, Casa Agria, so much more. This is gonna be an insane fucking festival. You guys do not want to miss this one. Monday, June 17th at the Glendale Tap.
See you there.
Yeah, we'll see you there. All right, then on Saturday, June 22nd, Sour Friends Fest 2019 at Celador Ales. This is an invitation-only sour beer festival featuring all of your favorite SoCal sour beer producers, plus some very special guests, Rare Barrel from up north, We'll be there with a booth. We also are giving away tickets to this one, VIP tickets at that. Oh,
these tickets are, well, I mean, these tickets are sold out.
Yeah.
We have the only 2 VIP tickets left, so head to hoppedla.com/sour giveaway. Enter now.
All right, moving into the rest of the events for the week. Tuesday, June 11th at Eagle Rock Brewery Public House. It's a special beer, chocolate, and cheese pairing with Milk Farm. Some special guests. It's $50 a ticket. You're gonna get beer, chocolate, and cheese. What more do you want?
Then on Thursday, June 13th, starting at 5 p.m., it is a special one-night stand at Beer Belly in Koreatown featuring Horace Aged Ales. So you don't see these guys all too often, and the hype is fucking crazy for these guys. Go to Beer Belly on Thursday and drink some beers. They're gonna bring a bunch.
All right, that does it for this week's events. Let's head into the previews. Hey, that was pretty tame. Only thing that we want to talk about in this week's previews is LA Beer Week. A ton of events are going on. Some of them are ours. We want you guys to be there, but we don't want you to miss out on all the awesome events happening throughout Los Angeles during this special week.
It's gonna take you a day and a half just to go through our entire calendar. So we saved you a little time, put together our top picks for LA Beer Week. Head over to hoppedla.com/LABW guide, and we got you covered.
All right, that does it for this episode of Events on Tap. Thanks so much for tuning in. Time to go upstairs to Free Play and play some DDR. Drink indie.
And drink local.